guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a curated box by Globein to show you. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this box just arrived and Globein did send this to me for review. So thank you so much for sending me one of your amazing boxes to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, this is not my normal monthly subscription where you get to go in and choose your items to curate your own box, which I absolutely love. This one actually is an already done up curated box that's on their website, and they wanted you guys to see this one because it is a steal right now. It is like 50% off. They have two different cozy boxes. That's the name of this box, is Cozy Box. They have the regular Cozy Box, which is normally $62, and right now it is on sale for $31. Or they have the Cozy Box with tea. I'm not quite sure which one they sent. That one's normally $66, and that one's discounted even more down to $26.40. You can snag either one of them. You can see other boxes that they have already done up or all of their amazing individual products on their website. But they wanted you guys to see this particular box because it has such a huge discount. You might want to grab this for yourself or for gift ideas. Gift giving is coming up super, super fast. Sooner than we know, we're already going to be into November, and then we're already going to be into December. So if you want to take a look at what's inside here, grab it for yourself, for gift items, break up the products, whatever you like to do. I think that's an amazing deal for the sale on this particular box. So again, you can check them all out. They will all be linked down below. Let's go ahead and dive in and see what is all inside of the Cozy Box with its amazing discount. Let's see. When we open her up, that's what it looks like inside. They do package their boxes so well. And if you do see, I do have my earbud in my ear only because I'm listening to my chickens outside. I have a little issue with one of them being a bully. And so I'm trying something different, and I just kind of need to keep an eye or an ear out to make sure that my little babies aren't being bullied, because I need to protect them. So if you see that, just don't mind it. I'm listening to my girls in my other ear. Ooh, okay, so this one is with the tea, because I believe that's what this is, 20 tea bags. There is a card down here. This just says Cozy Box, but it does obviously have that box of tea in it, so it has to be the one that's discounted even more that comes with the tea. So Color Your World Cozy Box, and let's go ahead and just I'm gonna grab this one out first. Let's take this out. This is a scarf, free weave scarf, hand dried and woven in northern Thailand. 100% cotton, hand wash is recommended. Nice. So you have this scarf right here. Let's go ahead and open this up. I absolutely love this color of this scarf, and I thought this might be kind of cool to use just even to drape in my photo box where I take my still shots. And then I thought you won't be able to see like the seams and stuff like that from like where the pieces are put together. But I love this color. If you guys know, you know, I love any shades of blue. Teals are my favorite, but any shades of blue, and this is a gorgeous color blue. And so here is the whole thing opened up, but look at how pretty that is. Like, oh my goodness, this would be, I don't really get a whole lot of coldness, but look at that color. That color is beautiful. So I love that. But you can use that as a scarf, or I'm sure you could use it even like as like a runner, or if you wanted to put it like on like a long desk or something to use. I mean, there's so many other things you can do with the products other than what they're really intended for. So let's see what else. Okay, so we had this that you saw. There's a lid somewhere that goes with it because it's not, oh, it's inside. There it is. This is a plant basket, or you can use it as a normal basket. So you can flip it over and you can put a plant in it. I think you can probably even do it like this even if you wanted to. And, or you can just like stick other stuff in here. You can, I have these at both ends of my couch. I have like a thin little like long narrow table, and under each one has one of these. Just toss all of our like little stuff in there. You don't see it. It's all nice inside of this little basket, and I just think these are made so well. And there's several different colors that I've got throughout the time having Globein, but this one here is a beautiful blue. Beautiful, beautiful blue. Now the picture on the front of here shows it being like a purple basket that it's in. So I don't know if like the basket is sent at random as far as like the color, but mine is blue and the color here looks like it would be purple. So you might get a variety of different colors. So for this one here says it is a palm leaf basket. It was handmade in Mexico. So again, you can use this for so many different things. And I definitely have a few of them around my house with stuff in them. This one that I already have like stuff in here. So this is the one that I've already been using. This one is actually a purple. This one here is the one that I just received. That is the blue. So just so you know, they do have purple, there's blue, and then I've even had other styles. So this is the tea, and it says it's 20 tea bags. Let's get this one opened. It says, we shake the hands that farm the land. That is so cool. And this is what they look like. And then down inside of that, if you want to know exactly what the bag looks like, it looks like a normal tea bag right there. It smells so good. I can't wait to make some of this tea. That smells really good. So you can make hot tea, you can make cold tea, you can make whatever your little heart desires, and you'll have 20 different tea bags inside of there. Now this should be the last item, you guys, and I'm so excited to see this. This is the mug. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Let me move this box out of my way. Look at these, the blue and the teal, and then with that like burgundy color, that is just gorgeous. It is a huge mug. I love it. And it says that this was made in Morocco. Nice. That is just gorgeous. Even if you didn't want to use it as a drinking mug, you can use it for any type of drink you would like, whatever tickles your fancy. But you could always use this if you wanted to put makeup brushes or pens or pencils, or use it as a vase. If you wanted to put like little flowers in there, fresh or silk, you can really do whatever you want with this. But those colors, and they're hand painted, so every single one will probably be a little bit different based on, you know, their hand and what they're doing. But those colors are absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness. So this entire box you can get for, what did I tell you? It was either going to be $26.40 with the tea, or $31 if you wanted just the sets. But that's an amazing deal. You have this mug, you will have the tea or not the tea, have the tea or not the tea, depending on which one you would choose. You have this beautiful blue scarf, and then you have this handmade basket. All right, you guys, so now that is everything that is in this amazing cozy box. I cannot believe that discount to get all of this stuff. Literally, you can get it for $20-something. You have this amazing scarf that you can use for yourself or a gift. You could always break these two up, the tea and the mug, and give that to somebody, and keep the scarf and keep the basket. Like, there's so many different things that you could do, whatever you would like. So that is what I have to show for this particular video. Comment down below and let me know, what did you think of this curated box? What do you think of Globein? Are you gonna go check it out? Are you gonna snag one for yourself or for gift ideas? Let me know in the comments down below. If you wanna check them out, again, they will be in the description box, a link to follow them straight to their site. You can see all of their amazing products that they have, the different curated boxes, or all the individual items. Great gift ideas for yourself or for others. I absolutely love Globein. I cannot wait for this monthly box to come in. I don't remember what all I chose in that one, but that's the beauty in that one. You get to choose all of the products, and there's just so many amazing items. So you can go to the subscription, or just shop their shop, whichever you prefer. If you do shop their shop and you're not getting something like this with this deep discount and you want just individual products, you can use my code SheCrafty, and that will get you, I think, 20% off the shop without having a subscription, if it's not already like a discounted item. So there's that. If you'd like to check out other companies or discount codes, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. So again, that is everything for this particular video. Comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew,